When you get your iPad or your iPod Touch, the first thing you need to do when you wake it up and turn it on is to click on this green web logon button. You may have to flip through a few screens to find it, but that is your first step. After you hit the green logon button, you will be prompted to enter your student ID and lunch pin on this web page. It is called the district's authentication page. And what this does is when you enter your username, your student ID, and your password, which is your lunch pin, this then tells the district who is using the iPad and allows you to access the school's internet. After you successfully fill out your username and password, your lunch pin, and your student ID, it will automatically bring you to the district website. That is a good thing. That now means that you are logged in, you are authenticated. So then you press the belly button and you need to find this scan app and open this scan app. When you open the scan app, the point is you can see this white frame here that I'm kind of pointing at. And what that does is when you line it up with the QR code, which is this black looking thing, the scan app will take a picture of it, snap it, and then send that information to your laptop or to your iPad, and it will bring you to this Civics assessment. When the scan app completes taking this information from the QR code, these white frames here will turn green. That's when you know you have been successful. This is the QR code that you're using to access the quiz. And what QR codes essentially are is you take a picture using the scan app, and these series of pixels sends a web address to your internet browser. And so Scan has its own browser. It'll open up. You'll take the quiz. Now, it will ask you for your school email, and your school email is your school ID at ep-student.org, or hyphen, I guess it would be. So 9030678 at ep-student.org. You all have access to this email. And the reason we're asking for your email is because you will receive your graded quiz back to you through your student email. You access your student email by logging into EP Apps or the school's Google Docs, and then up in you have essentially Gmail available to you. So you will need to use this a lot. So get to know your student ID at ep-student.org. When you are done taking the civics quiz, you simply press submit, and then you need to hit the belly button and locate this web log off button. And what this does is it says that you are no longer using the iPad, you are done using it. If you do not press the web log off button, whoever uses the iPad next could look at some inappropriate content while you are still logged in, and then the district could see that you were looking at inappropriate content, and they could get you in trouble. So if you do not press this web log off button, you are responsible for whatever content is looked at. So always press this when you are done using one of the iPads or iTouches from the carts.